A bang when water suddenly stops is different from a knock that appears while water is heating. Listen to exactly when the sound occurs because the timing identifies the most likely cause. If you hear one sharp bang when a washing machine, dishwasher, toilet, or quick closing faucet shuts off, the problem may be water hammer. Moving water stops abruptly, creating a pressure surge that shakes the pipe. Water hammer is especially common near fast-acting appliance valves. If the sound is more like repeated tapping or ticking after hot water starts flowing, the pipe may be expanding and rubbing against a tight hole, bracket, joist, or wall surface. That is a movement problem rather than classic water hammer. Banging that continues while water is running can come from a loose pipe. Watch accessible plumbing while someone operates the fixture. If the pipe visibly shifts, it may need an appropriate support or padded clamp. Don't clamp it so tightly that normal thermal expansion becomes impossible. Test whether one specific fixture triggers the noise. A worn toilet fill valve, loose faucet washer, partially closed shutoff valve, or malfunctioning appliance valve can vibrate and transmit sound through the surrounding pipes. Excessive water pressure can make all of these symptoms worse. A plumber can measure the static and operating pressure and inspect the pressure regulator if several fixtures produce banging. The correct repair depends on the cause. Secure loose piping, replace the faulty valve, provide room for thermal movement, or install a properly sized water hammer arrestor near a fast-closing valve. A water hammer arrestor is specifically designed to absorb the pressure surge created when flow stops suddenly. Don't ignore violent movement or worsening impacts because repeated stress can damage joints, valves, and appliance hoses. Tell us what triggers your noise: a toilet, faucet, washing machine, or hot water.